This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Hyundai Tucson door panel. First, ensure you have the right tools, including a plastic trim removal tool and a Phillips head screwdriver. Begin by locating and removing any visible screws, often found in the armrest or door handle recess. Next, gently pry off any plastic covers or trim pieces that might be concealing additional fasteners. Take your time to avoid scratching the door's surface. Once all screws and hidden fasteners are removed, you'll need to disconnect the electrical connectors for the window switch and the door handle cables. These usually have small tabs you press to release them. Then, using your trim removal tool, carefully work your way around the edges of the door panel, prying it away from the door frame to release the retaining clips. Finally, lift the entire panel straight up to clear the window channel. With the panel mostly free, there might be one or two more electrical connectors to unplug, such as for the door light or speaker. Gently detach these, making sure not to pull on the wires. Once completely free, set the door panel aside in a safe place where it won't get scratched or damaged. Before you even think about reassembly, always double-check that all wires and clips are in good condition. To reassemble, align the top edge of the door panel with the window channel and slide it down into place. Then, firmly press around the edges to re-engage all the retaining clips. Don't forget to reconnect all electrical connectors and reinstall any screws or trim pieces you removed. For more great tips and resources, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below for the link and other deals. Taking your time ensures a secure and proper fit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.